On ChatGPT, when we're chatting with ChatGPT, everything will be saved to your history. But if you don't want it to appear in your chat history, you can turn on temporary conversation and chat with ChatGPT. That conversation won't appear in your history. For that, open ChatGPT. After that, to chat in temporary conversation, what you need to do is, you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on this button, this temporary chat will be enabled. Here down, you can see temporary conversation. You can chat with this chatbot. For example, I'm typing something like this, and ChatGPT is giving an answer for me, and you can ask whatever you want. If you want to know whether you're in temporary conversation or not, here you can see temporary conversation. And if you want to exit from this temporary conversation, above you can see a button like this. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach a new chat. And that chat will not be a temporary conversation. So, this way, you can easily use temporary conversation in ChatGPT. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.